Welcome to 843 TV. I'm your host, Kathryn Mademann, and this week we're at Kinghorn Agency of Beaufort. And what makes this agency so important is that it's the history. They have been here since 1898. Can you imagine? In fact, I have a document from 1916. This is an agency, insurance agency, that'll take great care of you if you need all kinds of things covered, from house, flooding, insurance, financial. You want to stop in here because they'll take great care of you. We're going to sit down with the principals and meet Jay Taylor, Thomas Tayloe, Charlotte Law, and also Sheila Peoples. It's a great team, and you're going to love them, so stay with us with more 843 TV, where communities come to speak.
.843 TV, where the Lowcountry comes to speak.
.843 TV,
where communities come to speak. And welcome to 843 TV. I'm delighted to tell you we're at Kinghorn Insurance here in Beaufort, and I'm with the principals. I have Jay Taylor, and we also have Thomas Tayloe.
Welcome.
Well, thank you very much. I'm delighted to be here. You know, there's so much exciting things that are happening here in Beaufort County. We have people moving into the area. I'm sure there's a flux of people that are coming into the office, but we want to talk about the services that you provide here. But before we even go there, do you know how long they've had this insurance company? When did it actually start?
In 1898. We started in the back of a hardware store down on Bay Street. Unfortunately, the building is no longer there, but we started in the back of a hardware store back in 1898 by J.B. Kinghorn. Kinghorns are no longer directly involved in the family, but there's some descendants still in the area, and we have a long, rich heritage.
You sure do. I've never ever heard of an insurance company being that long and that longevity.
I believe we're the oldest living business in Beaufort still.
Believe so.
I can understand that too with all the history. So let's talk about what's going on here, because there's a lot of exciting things. Well, we as viewers, we want to talk about services first. Let's talk about what you're actually a full service. You have many things that you offer your clients, correct?
We do. We offer the traditional personal lines products, which are homeowners, personal flood, automobile, boats, umbrellas, and so forth. But we also offer a wide range of commercial products for businesses that are out there, businesses that are starting new businesses, existing businesses. We offer liability coverages, automobile coverages, workers' comp, bonds, professional liability coverages for
cyber as well.
Cyber's a big one.
Oh, really?
An emerging market.
Isn't that amazing?
It is.
You know, one thing I really think it's great about your firm is that it's one-stop shopping, number one. Number two, you invite people to come in and talk, because, you know, on the internet, everybody can get insurance, but you're sort of dabbling at things. And how do you make this comprehensive insurance program that fits your family, your lifestyle, and maybe retirement as well? There's all kinds of things that we have to think about.
Absolutely. While we do offer a wide range of products, we do encourage folks to come in, sit down with us. We want to become your trusted advisor. Like as Thomas has said in the past, we want to be like your attorney or your CPA. You know, you trust those folks in the advice that they're providing for you, and we want them to come in and we become that trusted advisor for our clients as well. Insurance is not necessarily just a product you can buy off the shelf. It's tailorized for what you need, for your specific needs and wants.
Yeah, and I would say what else is a bit unique about our agency is that we have dedicated personal lines, commercial lines, financial departments, so that agents can really focus and not be an inch deep and a mile wide. So that's.
We do, and as Thomas mentioned, one of the things we also provide with the agency is a wide range of financial services products that then may not necessarily think of us as, may look at us and say, okay, well, this is a traditional property and casualty insurance agency, but we also offer life insurance products. We offer short-term and more permanent life insurance products that are out there. We offer a wide range of health insurance products, both individual products for folks that are under the age of 65, as well as group products for businesses that are out there to meet their employees' needs. And along with that, a wide range of group benefits, dental, health, dental, vision, maybe special cancer plans that are out there. The traditional Aflac type products that are available out there, we have a wide range of those offerings for our clients, and we have folks that are specialized that can be able to sit down, determine the client's needs, and properly advise them.
Really help with that consultative approach.
Well,
That's
I'm
right.
really impressed with this list because very rarely do you have an agency where it's really one stop where you can come and have all that. And it's comprehensive, so you sort of have an idea where you're spending your dollars, how you're spending your dollars, and what's the best thing for your protection and your family. So let's have a quick conversation in this segment about people who are coming to Beaufort. What is the first thing that you recommend for them to do as they're looking to buy a house? Let's start with the house. Forget about the business. We'll talk about the
Sure.
business in the next segment. Let's start there.
Well, folks that are coming in and buying or building new homes may get sticker shock because of what it costs and what it takes to insure property down in the Lowcountry. They may have been moving in from the Midwest or up northeast somewhere and may not be familiar with having to buy potentially separate wind coverage or flood coverage or the deductibles that come along with that. It can quite be a shocker. So we really advise those folks to come in, sit down, talk to us. We consult with many realtors here in town and advise them, hey, when you're working with a client to purchase a new piece of property, have them come see us early. So it doesn't come down to the last minute and folks are confused, or it derails a deal.
It can be. I mean, flood insurance, right? I mean, that is
Yeah.
required. There's
Yes.
a certain amount of distance from the water. That's it. You have to have it. There's no other choice, correct?
That's mortgages are requiring it.
And I think when you're buying a house or property, that is something you want to think about too, how close you are to the water, depending on what you're building.
We're all in Beaufort County. We're all subject to it, and in my opinion, folks ought to buy it, whether you're in a special flood hazard zone or not. It doesn't mean that you can't flood. So
Everyone's in a flood zone.
everyone's in a flood zone. That's
Everybody's
exactly
in-
right.
Well, on that note, we're going to take a pause, and we'll be right back with more A for 3 TV.